Hello, baby. Hello.
Come sing. He's now.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I just took my shower. Guys, you already know I use only 2 things on my face because they work for me. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Guys, I'm going to Shara to install my wig. This is a traveling vlog, so you guys are definitely gonna see Uluba, and you guys are definitely gonna I am happy. I'm happy for you guys. I'm happy for myself. I'm happy. Like, I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm gonna see my kids, you know, like I miss them so much. But yeah, let's quickly do my face, get dressed, and then say I'm in. So yeah, so I wanted to do the installation on Saturday, but guys, the way I'm calling Kashara, because I tried making an appointment with the lady who does my nail. I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna force her and see what happens. She was like, yo, Sana, on Friday I already have like 5 people, so it's fine, guys, because I was talking to my friend at Eastern Cape, asking her what is the person who always amazipho amahle kahle emakhaya. She sent me pictures, so we'll just use that person. We'll manage. We'll manage, or I'll buy stick-ons from Fushin, if I stick-ons. But yeah, guys, Eshara, so I might as well go today. Today is a Thursday, by the way. I'm supposed to be leaving on Saturday, but there's a friend of mine often left, so ute Sunday, because we have Vala Friday, then Saturday uzobe busy, then Sunday we can leave. So we're gonna wake up very early. I think I'm gonna wake up around 4. No, namanga 5. At least it's puming about 6, so that maybe makara pumilanga then some to get. So yeah, there is nothing that makes me happy than the fact that when I started doing my, like, getting izinto zobuso ne, by God's grace, ngabe nangathola izinto ezingisebenzelayo. Like, I love these 2 products so much. I don't know what would make me to change them. Like, for real. I don't know. Like, there's nothing. Like, I would rather add but change. I don't know why I would add, you know. I am a firm believer of don't fix what is not broken. So I don't have skin problems, so I'm not fixing anything. So they work for me. I don't have to do too much. I can't need. But yeah, guys, let us go. I'm done now. Let's go do my hair. Let's just run my errands. But I think I'm gonna wash my car on Saturday, because my car is also dirty. So I think I'll wash my car on Saturday, and then after washing my car, when I come back from the car wash, I'll start packing some of the things so that in the morning I don't do too much. Okay, let's go. Guys, let's do my OOTD here in my bedroom, because in my home I'm wearing these pants. I think I want black pants on these design. I'm gonna Where is my partners? I'm abusing them because they are black, and I did say uba black. Sana. One thing I love about black. Uzongena yonke indawo. I actually need new slippers because what nonsense is this? And then I'm gonna carry this bag. Let me put my wig. I carry this bag when I'm going to the salon because where is my wig? I wanna install the Kelly one. Yes. You see? Because I haven't very far, guys. So I did wash. These are where it fresh. Ish, guys, my cards and everything are here. I'm not gonna take them out. I'm just gonna throw it in this bag in here as well because I don't have the time nor the energy. We're gonna wear this perfume. I think I'm too close because so I usually mix it up with this one. This is my favorites. And ngathi iyaphela, guys. Ngathi iyaphela. I need to buy another one. Oh, smells so good. But yeah, this is how I look. I'm done. I'm done. I need, where are my car keys? I want some things inside. Alright, okay. I'm done. Let's go. I guess angisoze ngayeka ukwenza i-OOTD on my mirror because tell me why I'm here and I've just showed you guys. But I'm here. I love my mirror, I guess. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let's go. Little cap is, I need to get a black cap. Yeah. Because I am seeing the cap is bad. I was the color young boy. Anyway. Let's go. Guys, I'm feeling sleepy. We are getting a Jakwa or Jatwa or Jakwa. I am feeling sleepy. This is what is happening. Ebusuku akulaleki. Actually kuyalaleka ebusuku. One thing about me ngizohlala ku TikTok. Oh no, I want to park here outside. One thing about me, amba sitututhu, amba but oh yini velaphi. Oh. Azukhoza nje traffic unnecessary. Ebusuku I'll be on TikTok, right? Love TikTok, ne? Ngilale ngabo 11, 12. Now I'm a light sleeper. Ungena embedeni doesn't mean I'm gonna fall asleep same time. Even if ngikhathele, even if ngiyazela, I am not gonna fall asleep. I never fall asleep. If ngibeke phone ngabo 12, I am gonna fall asleep after 1, right? That is me. So now during the day, njengoba manje it's 11:50, yosha 12 ngiyazela. What am I driving? I drive nonsense because I'm trying to multitask. I'm shooting, I'm yapping, I'm parking, I'm doing a lot. But I'm feeling sleepy. We are here, guys. Let's go. Okay. permanent entry. Yo, kaze ngayo kube iphara. Guys, I am done with errand number 2. Nebo. I am done with errand number 2. We are going to errand number 3 now. I am so late. I came to change my phone. You guys know I've been complaining about that phone. I came to change it again. At this point, guys, I think I'm just gonna go for iPhone 17. I think when I get the iPhone 17, ngiphume emabhozeni. Yeah. Yadlala. Yadlala. But angifuni uqamanga, guys. iPhone 17 is a need. iPhone 17 is a need. Guys, I am done. I am rushing because bavala ngo-4 la ngiyakhona. And it's 3 o'clock already. And ngisazo drive. But it's not far because I'm going to Bryanston. I'm going to Bryanston and in Puma Air. Where is this place? Rosebank. But yeah, guys, I got another phone. There's no need for you to show you guys. There is no need for me to show you. But I fixed the problem. We've changed the phone. Let me drive, we'll catch up. I'm done. I went to renew my disc. I obviously can't show you the front because my details and stuff for my car. But I went to renew the disc for my car. I carry I'm traveling, so I can't have a disc expire. So I'm done at post office. I went to the one in Bryanston because the one in Foy is Lone Hill Ivaliwe. So now I am going to, what time is it now? It's 4:26. I'm rushing to Postnet so that I can send something for e-custom. Then that's it. Like I'm done with my errands and I am so happy because tomorrow I don't want to do anything but pack or just relax. I don't want to be on the streets. Ngifuna ukurelaxa, guys, because driving 8 hours alone is no joke. So yeah, I'm done with all my errands. Okay, one last one more, then I'm done. Guys, let me drive. The traffic and people are driving nonsense. Also, the lady said I need to buy a new closure for this week. Ati closure yakho, my girl, igugile indala. Please buy a new closure. And I'm like, you know what, I've been planning on buying new wigs because like my wigs are old. My wigs are very, very old. But okay, yeah, we are done. I have an install. I hope in push it for at least like a week and a half and then I take it out. But sure, guys, let's go to Foy's Mall. We'll catch up when I get home. Guys, I was watching Kayam's vlog and she was complaining about I don't know, she went to a police station and this lady, okay, and she forgot her ID. Yo Sana, today I experienced what she was saying. And when she was saying it, guys, I'm eating a sweet, if just in case I'm speaking funny. When she was saying it, I was like, yo, Kayams, you are like me. I would rather be helped by a man than a woman in all these places. Sana, waze wangijikelezisa usisi. And guys, every time when I renew my disc, right, I fill up those forms. If there's a space I feel like I used to go to one place, the one that I said Ivaliwe, post office in Lone Hill. Sana, you will just give them your license. You will just give them your license and they will do, I don't know whether I would say they will do everything, but I remember going to this guy. Oh, my mom is calling me. Hi guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna take a shower. Also, dinuka makwapa. I use this roll-on sharp, this brand. I use this brand Nivea, this one, but not the black and white one. So I don't know, because the one that I was using, iphelile. So I usually mix them up. I've never used this black and white invisible original. I've never used this one. I don't know if it's Iyo. I don't know if Iyo ne. I'm gonna continue using it. Maybe let's say, what am I saying? Let me just check ukuthi Iyo ne. I'm gonna use it, and because I did a lot today. Today I did a lot. I was busy. Wait, guys. I was very, very, very busy. So, and yet she's saying, guys, it's very hot. So maybe it's not the roll-on. Maybe maybe it's busy. I mean, I'm trying to, because guys, I did everything. I did all my errands, and I'm so tired. Like, I wanna take a shower. I'm so tired. I'm happy that I did everything, because imagine if I am this tired and I'm waking up tomorrow, I'm driving 8 hours. So I know at least I did my desk, I went to Postnet, I did my installation. Guys, I did everything. I didn't run my errands with you guys. I kept on updating you. I couldn't, because I was rushing from one place to another. So guys, the post office saga. I remember this guy, because I was starting to like, like, I've been so patient, but now I'm really, really getting pissed, because and this guy was like, yo, Sisi, Tula, Sisi, Tula, just forms. She lost my forms, she couldn't find them. She said, go fill up your forms again. Yo, guys, uncedo amantombazana. I prefer males. Like, when I was watching K-Arms, and she said she would rather wait for indoda elayinini ukuthi imncede. Oh, I said the same. I was like, Sana, I am you, because some women will give you attitude. Some women will give you attitude, and you don't even know ukuthi wenzeni. Like, I was, oh, I don't have time for this. Oh God. Like, I was ukuthi lo muntu lo ngimenzeni. Yo, when she lost my form and said, go write another one. While I was still writing the form, she screamed, Sisi Iza, you can't renew your disc. The traffic fines blocking you. That mean, okay, can I pay for them? But no, you can't pay here. We don't do that. Go to the traffic department. And I'm like, but yesterday the lady said I can pay here. I spoke to that lady yesterday, and she told me how much I need to pay. I don't, go talk to her then. Hey, athi hambe kuye. Yo. God bless the man abangincedile namhlanje. There was a guy on the queue, but nabeka busy, and then there was this other guy who was filling up his form. I'm like, what VN, don't what is it? And then this guy is like, did you take a picture of yes, I actually did. For some funny reason, I took the picture. That's okay, give me the picture. Let me fill up this part for you. And he's asking me, my VN number. Is it a VN number? All those things, guys, I don't know them. So this guy, agcwalise this part. Agcwalise. Abe sethi, okay, seku-right manje, sayina lana, ngisayine vele. Ngibuyele lapha kuloya sis. Then this lady says, "Hamba ubhadala kuloya bhuti." My friends, I was like, I don't understand. Like, I really don't understand. And ngithe mase ngizwe ukuthi yabona-ke manje ulaka lami luyeza-ke manje sengizoqhuma. I'm about to bust. Ngiku-5-2. Yes, ngiku-5-2 to tell you where to get off. Ngiku-5-2 because I'm thinking, like, why the attitude? Guys, kanti why abantu emsebenzini bene-attitude? Why? You are at work. Your tone, manner of approach, everything is wrong. Uyamemeza, urude, awunendaba, uyabhala, ulahla amaphepha. Yo! Yazi kwezinye indawo guys uthi mawuphuma you like, yo, thank God I'm done. I'll see you guys next year. Those offices, I'm not going back to those offices. I'm gonna look for another post office. Yo, yabona le post office abayivalile. I think they are renovating it in Poise Lone Hill. Oh, the men there. Scrumptious. Scrumdiddlyum. Amadoda laphayana azabaze bayisike guys bengiphuma mina bengenzele yonke into lababhuti bayisike baphume bangifakele emotweni hayi bye sister yo hayi bani but care akuselani hlezi ngisho ngisibeni hayi akuyilutho bafethu, it's okay. Abantu baneyinkinga zabo, I guess, but mina ngiyengifisa ukuthi mawusemsebenzini try to be nice, you know, be nice nje, ungabikho rude. There's no need. Yes, you have the power right now because you know you are the one who's supposed to help me renew this license or this disc or whatever that I'm doing. You have the power, but suba rude, suba kwada. Sukhuluma nami nje ungimemeze uyashawuta. So something, one thing uyayithetha uyashawuta nalento oyithethayo. Hamba-ke, hambe again. Yo. Hey, some things will test your patience, some things will test your yazo zinye izinto zokutesta. Hey, yabo la bhuti mase ethi sisithula, it's fine, thula yenza lento yenza sisithula. I was like, okay, no, ziyabuya. Guys, let me shower because right now I am yapping. I want to take a shower because ndiyanuka amakhwapha andiyazi noba yi-roll on, like I don't know, I'm not smelling fresh. I don't understand why am I not smelling fresh, but late guys. That's the reason why women take baths 2 times a day. These are the reasons, because by the time kushona ilanga nje unuka impongo. Unuka impongo. That's what I know. Guys, let me take off my clothes, take a shower. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday. I don't think I have anything to do. Ayikho nje namhlanje ngidlulile mangithela ipetrol ngathi abacheck amanzi, abacheck amatayara, abacheck oil. I was like, check everything. So that's when I'm ready to go. But I'm done with my errands. But yes, guys, I've been yapping and venting. It was a very stressful day, but a productive day at the same time. Stressful but productive. But yeah, let me take my shower. I'll catch up with you guys later. Hi guys, I'm struggling because man be phone lang so ngayibekanga ku tripod. So nje ziyabuya. Hi guys, I know I said I'm not going anywhere. I know I said I'm not going anywhere until sengiphuma vele class sengihamba. Okay, I thought I'm not going anyway. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I will show you guys what I'm wearing on the. It's just that ngingathanda ukukhuluma ngomshado because you'll know, but I'm not just dating or not, okay, I'm dating, but getting into a serious relationship in my big age, it's not for fun. What if this person can be like my lifetime partner? Because I'm old. I'm not crazy about marriage anymore, but I do want a lifetime partner. Guys, if you think you'll ever hear me saying, I don't like men, Mina, I've decented men, count me out. Yeah? Count me out. Mina, guys, I can sit here and share my story of my baby daddy. This did this. He had me so much. Yo, yebo, ngibalise. But you will never hear me saying, ngiwazonda kabi nje mina amadoda. Amadoda, no. I will ngizowathuka amadoda vele lapha kwi-public. Mekuthiwa ashiswa nina amadoda, mina engizobe ngiphethe uparafin nomentshisi ngime kwi-front row ngiyoshisa amadoda, but behind closed doors ngibathanda kabi abafana. I believe indoda. Who's that girl? Unozibele. There's a video kaNozibele yakudala kodwa on TikTok wayehleli phansi, so ethi mna amandla wami avele endodeni. I think something like that. Amandla, I believe in indoda. Yeah, she was saying that. Who knows, guys, Nozibele. I think you guys know her. So guys, I'm not that person who will come here and be like, I hate men. Hey, have men did me wrong? Yes, bangenze wrong, or banghetile abanye, you know, that they've hurt me, they've disappointed me, you know. But I think it's just my character. It's not even ukuthi ngithanda abafana. I'm just that person. I'm a very loving person by nature. Yabo? I'm a very, very loving person. I'm a forgiving person. I love love and I have so much love to give. So I always say, guys, Mina, when I get into a new relationship, I love like I've never been hurt. Like, I will give you my full me. Full. Ngazi ukuthi nje angikazi nje ngadisappoint umfana. Yabo, I'm that person. I don't like bleeding on people who did not do me wrong. Yabo, I'm not saying I'm perfect. My character or some things will show once in a while ukuthi I think this girl Lana akafakanga that spray. I don't like this install this time around because of this iyakhanya kakhulu, and there's a spray that she usually puts asifaka up ingabonakali lento le lace. I don't know what's happening, but hey, it's fine as long nje ngingalona iphara leli caba sana ndihamba nge-weak lines, but angikho happy ngale install. So what was I saying? So yeah, this video is gonna be unnecessarily long because I'm American. Guys, I'm wearing this jean with this bodysuit. So yeah, guys, I'm wearing this top, this jean, this bag, this my pacha. That's about it. This is how I look. Yeah, let's go. Guys, this was later, same day, Saturday. I went back home, took a shower, changed. We went to Igrove, Nomfan. So yeah, this was Saturday. Was it Saturday? No, it was Friday. I'm lying. And then on Saturday, I spent it resting, preparing to travel on Sunday. Yeah, this was Friday night actually. Yeah. Guys, angazi ngikhulume nani. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Guys, I'm with my auntie's child from Joburg. She said I must come back with her. So supported right manje. And I haven't spoken to you because I'm tired. We're just these vlogs we are doing, we are not talking, but nonetheless it's supported right. I'm getting pizza for Ulubanzi. He wants pizza, and then I'm gonna go to KFC, get KFC for Obusha because he wants KFC, and then we'll catch up when I am home. So bye guys. Bye guys. Let me mandenze umngena endlini basically because ke bandithumile into abazifunayo. Oh sana, we are finally home. Finally. 8 hours and 30 minutes drive. Finally. Can't wait to see my Lubanzi. Bugan.
We have landed.
Hello.
Come Tengi. He's now. Haka. Paganum Tengi. Oh. How? Hey. Lubanzi. Lubanzi angiboni yazi.
Hayi bona ngulubanzi agijimela ugogo instead of mina. Uphekele uLubanzi.
Ndisehambile.
uLubanzi wangishiya kanjalo.
Ngono wena mawukushile mina akaniboni.
Wangishiya kanjalo uLubanzi.
Uselana noba uLubanzi?
Uselana nogogo noLilika. Hello. Hi, ulishiya kanjalo ugogo. What about me? Come.
Yo, Lubanzi hug. Akaniboni mina uLubanzi guys, it's final, continue with the vlog. We have arrived. Anenze izinto zakhona bazalwane. Gcinani ngamapizza okudla. Iple ngiphila. Anku nogogo.
Ukhasindi kwa wena.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi people.
We have arrived.
Thank you God.
Yes.
They arrived safely. We've been praying for you, Bandabang, all the day. Namhlanje ekuseni enkonzweni sivuke ekuseni. We've been praying for you.
How was church, Gogo?
uNkulunkulu senzele inxeba ichurch bekumnandi. Bekuvulwe kuJohn oqala from verse 1.
Yo, mawukhumbula namavesi ndiyawazi ngego. Go take over there. Kuhle ke gogo enkosi.
Sinikhulekela uNkulunkulu senzele inxeba wanithwala nazofika ni safe.
Yes. Bye. Uma usezoqhubeka guys.
Say hi guys. How are you? Hi guys. Hi City Mama. Say hi City Mama. Hi City Mama. Say hi City Mama. Ungiphe, you've lost so much weight. Akangiphanga uLubanzi. Izani bheka, come see. Lubanzi. Uzoyibulala okuhle. Ungawi. Yey, Lubanzi. Ungayongena esichithweni. Come this side. Yeah. Jikela ngapha. Ungawi. Come. Jikela ngapha. Uzoyifaka kwalicala. Okay. Ube ikamera ndiyeza nzo unpack. Ningawi ke ndihambe. Bye bye. Awuzuwa ne? Awuzu Lubanzi. Excuse me. Uyazibona ukuthi uyahlupha isikuta sakho sidlala endlini. Lubanzi. Kumele usidlale emnyango, Lubanzi. Ugogo uzonibetha uthamba niyodlala emnyango. Banzi. Ambodlala isikuta emnyango. Hambani. Niyangxola. Nobabini. Bye bye.
Esikamhlenge sithule.
Ngeze sikala ubanzi singxolayo. Banzi nomhlenga bani emnyango. Oh. Sihambe ngoku. Oh, guys, the way I'm so tired now. We woke up at 5. Kumnandi ukudrive early because sifike early. Dayeka lento yami yokufika ebusuku sekulala. Ne?
Yes.
Uyigqibile imuffin yakho?
Yes. I'm gonna. I devoured it.
Guys, I'm so tired. But also I'm a light sleeper, so if I sleep now, I'm gonna have a problem ebusuku. So I'd rather just stay nje mayizise kanje. Ndizolala ebusuku. But yeah, we got home safe. I am tired from driving. I'm feeling sleepy. But ke selishonile ilanga. Come say hi.
Guys, I'm back. Actually, she's back here, but I'm back. So
You back way?
you're gonna get a lot of my drama. I want some KFC. Can I please have some KFC?
Ima ke ngofuna ndivuke ndihambise wena.
Please.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Uyityile pizza? Ubungayifuni? Uxokelani okuhle?
I didn't.
Why? Ubungayirhaleli?
A lot of stingy people these days. I did, but a lot of stingy people these days.
Ndistinji khange ndithi ndiyokuthengela i-KFC.
No, not you.
Ah. Kungobani xesha?
It's fine.
Kuvalwa ngabani kule KFC yenu entsha? Masihambe, actually ukuhamba kuzonceda cause ndiyozela. Yabo?
How would that wake you up?
Because I'm gonna drive. Ndizobe ndi-active.
Makes sense.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, guys.
Hlukana nezihlangu zami sizoxabana. Thank you.
I'm gonna go take mine then.
Okay. Guys, ake ngihambise le ngane iyothenga u-KFC. Sasa savele ngicela ubukeni Lubanzi iphi inkinga yakho? Like what's your problem? Eh? You making noise. What's your problem? Sasa savelelwa nguwe. Yeah. Ake ngihambe. If andiyithengile KFC, I will never hear the end of it. So nje angihambe ngiyomthengela KFC yakhe azotya because uthulambile. Let me go. I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna come back, take a shower. I need a hot shower. A hot. Oh, ma! Come this side. Come. Good dark, Isa. Come this side. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say bye, guys. We are closing the vlog.
I'm calling the vlog.
We are closing the vlog.
Two big bigs.
Huh?
The big bigs.
Uthini Lubanzi?
Mama! Okay.
Ndiyamsebenzisa lo muntu umthathayo. Umsaphi? Ufuna ama-Woodpicks? Okay, come say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Hi,
Hi,
guys.
Nhlengi. Move a bit. Emakhanda Mhleng. Okay. Kwaluqala. Come this side, Nana. Lubanzi is this side. Imangap. Okay. Say bye, guys. See you on my next one. Say bye, guys. See you on my next one. Nhlengi, stand there. Say bye, guys. See you on my next one. Anikwazi ukuthatha English nanina. Ibalo. Lubanzi, I trust you. Come. Say bye, guys.
Hi guys.
Bye, guys.
Guys.
See you on my next one.
Bye.
See you on my next one.
From that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you